Yun guys, so Arv took the car ready. And yeah, saying goodbye to this T30i E46 that I had for so long. Hello guys, good afternoon. So it is a sad parang mixed reaction video today because I'm selling my BMW. So if you guys know, one of the reasons why this channel started, especially about cars, is because of my mom's BMW. So I did have a 318 E46 2001, which I converted in pandemic to a 330i BMW. So today's the day that I'm selling my BMW to a nice kid. Why I say kid? Because normally teenager would be the one to buy this car because first of all, it's affordable. Second, it's still a nice European car. Especially I took care of the car very well. And third, it's really, you have to have a lot of knowledge with a car, and at the same time, with this car, kailangan you're enthusiastic to own this car. Kumbaga, not all cars kasi you really wanna, take care. Some cars, like this Hilux, is parang from A to B type of car, diba? But of course, kanya-kanya yan. But of course, with European cars, you have to be a little bit more careful, delicate, especially with the older European car. As we all know, mine was 23 years. But in 23 years, I have taken care of it very, very well. I put a lot of time, money, and effort to source all my parts, even when the conversion, interior, and the exterior of the car. But it's about time that I sell it because hindi ko na nagagamit yung kotse. The older I get, the more it sits in the parking space. So I have to get rid of it para ma-appreciate naman ng iba. So I want to thank the new buyer. And I'm gonna film it when he gets the car. Dito na yung papers. So ORCR, diba? Yung original ORCR. Then even the things that I replaced, some of them are in the nagdadrive lang ako guys. Some of them are in the trunk of the car. Yung mga pinalitan ko, mga filters, even some of the interior part trims na parang extra trims nandun rin. So I'm gonna give it away na rin, even the car cover, etc, etc. So yeah, it's about time I'm letting it go, and I'm just happy that I went to a buyer who really knows about BMWs, and he has a detailing shop, so it's perfect. When he saw the paint, because I repainted the car guys last year, a little over a year, to a Lexus paint. And gandang-ganda siya sa paint, especially yung flakes sa loob. So I'm just happy na yun nga, mapupunta sa kanya yung kotse para alam ko na he's gonna really take care of it. And sige lang guys, park muna ako. Anyway guys, I'm just waiting here. Anyway, like I was saying, yun nga, to a person who appreciate the car. And when he looked at the car, he was with his friend who has a E36 328i. Yun nga, his friend has a 328i E36, so he's knowledgeable about the BM. So he was looking around, and I know they were interested because it took some time. They were really looking at it, the interior, exterior. We even test drove it for a while, siguro like 10 minutes. Inarurot niya kasi of course you have to check the transmission if it's smooth, there's no jerkiness, the engine, walang, there's no problems. So, if you test drive, wag naman abuse it, but at the same time, you really have to test drive the car. So, yun ang nangyari. Let's get my ticket muna, wave. And, yeah, after siguro 30 minutes of looking, checking, talking, about the car and what I replaced, and nakita naman niya lahat. Yun guys, he reserved the car a couple of days ago. Nag-reserve lang siya, and I took it off the market sa Facebook Marketplace, and now we're here to give the keys, the ORCR, and whatever needs to be signed in deed of sale, of course. And when you sell a car, guys, it's better to close deed, but of course some people like open because they're gonna resell it. So what I do normally is I'll have if open deed, an open deed and a closed deed, just for my protection. So may closed deed din yan, just in case something goes wrong, diba? But yeah, better to close deed. And yeah, na close deed of sale, then authorize mo lang. That's about it. That's as simple as it gets. And hanap tayo na parking. Hindi yan parking. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna see the car, we'll film it a little, and say goodbye for the very last time. And I'm gonna be happy at the same time sad kasi ang daming memories ng car niyan, guys. 23 years is no joke. Keeping that car in tip-top condition and taking care of it. So, hey guys, so we're here in the BMW. Just started it, waiting for the buyer. So this is the last time I'm gonna be in this car, driving this car. Guys, sobrang ganda this car. But it's okay. Wala tayong magagawa. I can't be emotionally invested in a car. Ang importante is the memories that I had with this car, guys. So yun guys, like I said, ito pinalit ko lang to last year, yung radio. Everything from steering wheel to this power seats, even this, the armrest, front armrest, even the ceiling na black, guys, palit yan. Even this, the LED lights, replaced everything. But that's how it goes. At the end of the day, ang importante, we had fun with this car. We have a lot of memories with this car. And let's go out the car, guys. Tignan naman natin. Napakaganda. So, diba? LED lights, angel eyes, LED fog lights, lahat LED. Look at the sound of that engine. It's nice and quiet, parang brand new. Even the paint, all the lights are working at the back. As you can see, let's open the back. Oop. Yan. Kunin ko lang yung aking PS5. Bakit yung PS5 box nandito? Anyway, let's put that at the back first. Yan. And yeah, you could keep this, the plate improvised plate, everything else. Okay. Ano na guys, ang sobrang init ng parking dito. Anyway, like I was saying, this is the last time we'll get to start this car. I used to start this car every week when I wasn't using it, para hindi ma-discharge yung battery. But ganyan talaga ang buhay. But I'm very happy it's going to him. And later we'll film this when he's gonna take it na. Actually sasabay naman ako, but we'll film it siguro when he looks at the car and stuff. And guys, so I'll see you in a bit. And just waiting for him, guys. Look, oh. So the mileage is 103, next change was 105,000, which I told him na. You know, normal operating temp. And guys, so it's very steady RPM. Everything's in top shape, even if I rev it. Ay, sarap. Anyway, this car's been warmed up na kanina pa. And guys, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Dami ko rin nagastos, but ganyan talaga. Diba, when you have a car in your family for so long, you wanna really take care of the car. But like I said, it was my mom's car, and I really took care of it in honor of my mom. So the memories will always be in my head, and yun ang importante kahit wala yung kotse. And sana the new owner will update me from time to time. Lakas pa ng aircon, guys, ang lamig kasi mainit talaga sa parking dito, guys. So everything's good. Ang ganda pa ng leather. Swerte siya talaga, to be honest. I won't say kung magkano ko ibenta, but I think it's fair. I could have sold it higher, but the thing is, if I sold it higher, I have to wait for the right buyer to pay for that. But sabi ko, okay lang. Ito, as long as he's happy, the owner is happy, I'm happy. Importante naman, it's really not about the money, it's really about I can't use the car eh. Hindi ko nagagamit and it's just sitting in this garage, guys. What a waste, diba? Ang kotse dapat ginagamit, especially yung older European cars. Use it, guys. Every day, kung maaari. As long as you take care of it, the normal change oil, okay na to. So dami ko pa naman pinalit. From the diesel valve, to the ignition coils, to the spark plugs. Ang dami ko pinalit. Basta, it's a long list, guys. Throughout the years, it's a long list. And, yan. So, we'll film him when he gets the car later. You could, you could keep it. It's clean, ha? Arv, careful lang when you go up. And guys, so Arv took the car ready. And yeah, saying goodbye to this T30i E46 that I had for so long. And yeah. The nice thing naman, he has a detailing shop. So I'm gonna put his the shop name. And when he details the car, he's gonna send me a photo. So bye-bye. Ingat! Yeah guys, we sold the E46 T30i and it's in good hands. Arvin and his girlfriend was nice and they promised to take care of the car, so I'm very happy. So we'll see the car hopefully in the future. We'll never know. So today I have to go to the bank kasi nagbayad in cash, guys. May hawak ako, tatawid pa ako. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so no more BM. So Arvin, the one who bought the car, got it already, and I'm just happy that he's gonna detail the car, guys. Kasi he has a detail shop. He gave me his card, guys, and would be nice to help his shop out. It's called Keen Detailing. Ito yung card, guys. Yeah, Keen Detailing. So it's in, where's this? So Keen Detailing PH. Rodeo Drive Plaza, Isidora Hills, Quezon City. 1 Rodeo. So dun yung address niya. So if you're gonna detail, I suggest go and check him out. And I told them once he details the car, please let me know, because I really want to see the paint pop out, kasi guys, black yun eh. So even though that's newly a year repainted, black is very common to have swirl marks. So I would really want to see what he does and yung mga close-up shots niya. I told him, Arv, please send me some photos when you're done with the car. And it would be nice to see, diba? Newly detailed. Because I don't think I ever detailed that car. Ano lang, wax lang, the normal wax, car wash, ganun lang, but not a detail. So I'm very excited. I'm excited for him. He asked a lot of questions like what gas to put. So I sent everything, even how many liters of oil, when to change oil. Sabi ko 95 octane and above is best for Euro cars, especially specifically for this car. Tapos even the parts that I get my parts from. Yeah. So yun guys, I'm very happy that it went to him. He looks like he's gonna really take care of the car. The fact that he's gonna detail, he has a detailing shop, is great. And yun yeah, I just showed them like how to connect to the Bluetooth and stuff like that. And yeah, off he went. And I'm just happy for him. This is his first Euro car, his first BMW. 23 years old. So guys, don't be afraid to buy old BM. Of course, you just have to buy it from a person like me who really takes care of their cars. Of course, maghanap kayo. Meron talagang enthusiast na BMW owners, and some nagpapabaya. But with me, because it's been with me since day one, first owner, I really took care of it. Not because it's our family's car, so I really wanted to drive it and to make sure that if I drive it, it runs well and I could bring it to Baguio or anywhere far with no fuss. So I'm happy, and yeah, it's gone. It will be gone in this channel, but maybe someday I might see Arvin again and he'll show me the car. But for now, wala na. Next naman, we're gonna sell the Camry because I want another car, so I need to sell the Camry. So guys, if you're interested, let me know. Just Facebook, Instagram me, and yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care. Goodbye.